Masquera say, Maria Zimbabwe, welcome to our channel, Zim Confessions and Deep Secrets. Kana karikitanka kukuya neno channel, please don't forget to subscribe. Kana chungwa karawa subscribe, but don't forget to comment and share this video. Nas Maria Zimbabwe tapigirai, nyaya irupisa nyaya irunetsa nyaya budi the Children of Zimbabwe War Veterans Association. Our Buddha, Mashitara Yavachiti, the Zimbabwean First Lady, Auxillia Hanzi, Makabuda Ashtaura, sensitive information about youth and leadership ya President Emerson Mnangagwa during a closed church event yakaitwa kwa mutoko apa vakalika to the local media anyaya yakakonzeresa widespread speculations and chaos across the country. Hanzi vakabuda achitaura ivo vachiti health ya President Emerson Mnangagwa iri kudeteriorata. Hanzi is no longer in full control of the national matters and God is the only one sustaining him now. Tikazoti nyaya chokwadere kana kuti nyaya yakapostwa the Children of Zimbabwe War Veterans Association in their group vachitaura ivo vachiti on their WhatsApp channel vachitaura vachiti big chaos in Zimbabwe as Auxillia Hanzi makes serious announcement about President Mnangagwa. Zimbabwe has been thrown into political uncertainty following a shocking revelation by First Lady Auxillia Hanzi regarding the health and leadership of President Emerson Mnangagwa. Speaking during a closed church event in Mutoko, later leaked to local media, Auxillia made a startling announcement that has triggered widespread speculation and chaos around the country. In her emotionally charged remarks, the First Lady revealed that President's health has significantly deteriorated in recent months, stating that he is no longer in full control of national matters and God is the only one sustaining him now. The admission, which comes amid growing reports of the President's absence from public engagements, has raised serious concerns about a possible leadership vacuum at the highest level of government. Auxilia's statement has sparked panic within the ruling ZANU-PF, with some party insiders calling it an unguarded confession that could damage national stability. Others within the political elite have interpreted it as a signal of internal strife within First Family, with unconfirmed reports suggesting fierce battles are underway over succession. Social media platforms have erupted, with Zimbabweans demanding official clarity on the president's condition and accusing the government of hiding critical information. Civil society groups have urged Vice President Constantino Chiwenga to address the nation immediately and provide transparency. The opposition Citizens Coalition for Change said the First Lady's remarks confirm long-standing suspicions of a secretive and deteriorating regime running on autopilot. Spokesperson Fadzai Maire called for immediate medical confirmation and constitutional processes to be respected should the president be declared incapacitated. Meanwhile, ZANU-PF has yet to issue an official response, but sources within the party claim an emergency Politburo meeting is scheduled to take place this weekend to assess the political fallout. The gravity of the First Lady's remarks has led to questions about whether Zimbabwe is on the brink of a constitutional crisis, especially with a potentially incapacitated head of state and no clear communication from the transparency. As the nation waits for answers, fears of power struggles, economic instability, and security uncertainty continue to mount. The Children of Zimbabwe War Veterans Association, Mure Zimbabwe, Auxillia Mushe, ndofunga takanzwa vageza achitaura vachiti pakalikwa medical documents a President Emerson Mnangagwa Hanzi anoratidza kuti vaMnangagwa vane dementia zvinzi navakasukwire sometimes vaMnangagwa vari kutotadza even kusaina madocuments muri Zimbabwe Hanzi vari kuwanikwa vachikangamwa. Zvinoomera Mushe mupolitical arena. Vice President Kwembo Muhadhi vari kunzwa havasi kunzwa Mushe and vava kuda kuretire muri Zimbabwe. Nyaya yakabuditswa neThe Zimbabwean Mail vachitaura vachiti rumors are gaining traction in Zimbabwe's political circles that Vice President Kwembo Muhadhi's long-anticipated retirement may have finally been approved by President Emerson Mnangagwa following persistent concerns over his health. Highly placed sources within government corridors reveal that Kwembo Muhadhi, who is 74, has for months been lobbying for a dignified exit from public office, citing deteriorating health. The Vice President, who has served in the post since 2017, has reportedly struggled with recurrent health issues that have hindered his ability to fully perform his official duties. Though no official statement has been released by the Office of the President and Cabinet insiders, suggests that President Mnangagwa recently gave the green light for Moadi's request to step down, paving the way for possible cabinet reshuffle. The vice president has been unwell for some time, and it has affected his work schedule. He has expressed the desire to retire, and the president is believed to have agreed in principle. A senior government official who spoke on condition of anonymity told the Zim Mail. Moadi's public appearance has become increasingly rare in recent months, fueling speculation over his condition. He was notably absent from key national events, including the Independence Day celebration and recent ZANU-PF Politburo meetings. If confirmed, Moadi's departure could trigger significant shifts within the ruling ZANU-PF hierarchy, particularly as the party looks to consolidate power ahead of future elections. Analysts say the decision could also open the doors for the elevation of younger leaders within the party ranks. His exit would not only mark the end of an era, but also the beginning of a generational shift in the leadership structure, said political analyst Dr. Petsai Marufu. This is an opportunity for the president to re-energize his team with fresh minds while balancing political loyalties. Moadi, a veteran of Zimbabwe's liberation struggle, has had a long and complex career in government, having previously served as Minister of Home Affairs and Minister of Defense, among other roles. He was reappointed as Vice President in 2021 after briefly stepping down in 2021 amid a scandal involving leaked audio recordings. As the nation awaits official confirmation, the potential retirement of one of Zimbabwe's top leaders adds another layer of intrigue to the country's already tense political landscape. Ndo mapolitiki wakati wa nyai mali Zimbabwe ndi Zimbabwe Mail singaziye kuti munoiona sei nyai tudziwo zamuri kufunga mu comment section.
But the thing is, nyaya is not all about nyoka ya mabhunu, nyaya isi ngeza, nyaya isi zvese zvauri kutaura izvozvo tazvinzwa chaizvo, whether it's true, whether whatever, but isisu phovho yemuZimbabwe tiri kuti tatambura. Chero newe wakadai uchigona kuti president ugadzirise nyika iite mushe, tinokuda. Hatina kutsvaga geza isi, hatina kutsvaga nyoka yemabhunu, hatina kutsvaga nema dzawo. Zimbabwe yagara kubva 1980 inorwadza. Tiri kutsvaga mnangagadzirise nyika iite mushe. Chero mukatiudza uori hwavo, mukatiudza kuipa kwavo, mukatiudza kudii kwavo, isisi phovho yeZimbabwe hatinei navo vanhu vese ivavo. Isiri kuda munhu anongosumuka kuti miririro odzosera nyika, kana kuti murungu chaiye, kana uchigona kunotiigira murungu, it's okay, enda unomutora uye kuzodzosera nyika payanga iri. Zvese zvamuri kutaura muri kutivaraidza henyu, mukuvaraidza isisu tajamuka, tiri kuchema, tiri kurwadziwa. Hatizi kuti Mnangagwa ega, hatizi kuti ani ega, tiri kuti nyika yeZimbabwe yafa. Ichamutswa nani? Kana uchigona kuimutsa, dzoka uzotimutsira nyika chete. Izvo zvananyika yemabhunu ndezvenyati zvishande kuti hatinei nazvo, tiri kuda kugadzirisirwa nyika. Muri kukonewa kunzwisisa kuti point, it's a phovho. Zimbabwean citizens are crying, we are crying, Zimbabwe is dead, it's gone. Makomba kuchipatara, ndo zvatiri kuchema, education, industry, ndo zvatiri kuchema nazvo. Muri busy kunakirwa nokubuda nezvinhu zvisina kana shepu kana. Zvananyika yemabhunu izvi ndezvenyu, zvazvishande kwatiri. Gadzirisai nyika.